Looking for an affordable drone that still delivers great performance? In this guide, we'll explore the best drones under $200, models packed with smart features like HD video, GPS positioning, and stabilized flight that won't break the bank. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike, these drones offer excellent value for capturing aerial shots and having fun in the sky. Starting at number 1, Ruko U11S drones. The Ruko U11S is a feature-packed 4K camera drone designed for beginners, offering smooth, stable flying both indoors and outdoors. FAA Remote ID compliant, it includes a 90° adjustable 4K UHD camera with a 120° FOV for capturing wide, high-quality aerial shots directly to your phone. With optical flow positioning for indoor stability and GPS positioning for precise outdoor flight, it hovers steadily for better photos and videos. The drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, delivering up to 40 minutes of total flight time, while the beginner-friendly transmitter is rechargeable and easy to operate with 1 key features: lightweight, foldable, and portable, about the size of a phone. The U11S is an excellent travel-friendly quadcopter for capturing memorable moments and enjoying reliable performance on your first flights. Number 2. Holystone HS710 Drone. The Holystone HS710 is a beginner-friendly 4K GPS drone designed for adults who want smooth flight performance and high-quality aerial footage. Its UHD 4K camera features a 120° wide-angle lens and a 90° remote adjustable tilt, while 5G FPV transmission ensures clear, low-latency video streaming. With intelligent GPS features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, the drone can fly autonomously, making creative shots easier than ever. Stability is enhanced by GPS plus GLONASS positioning and optical flow, allowing the HS710 to hover accurately both indoors and outdoors. Safe flying features such as altitude hold, smart return to home, emergency stop, and 1-key takeoff landing make it perfect for beginners. Powered by strong brushless motors and modular batteries, the drone offers up to 25 minutes of flight time. Foldable, portable, and reliable, the HS710 is a great choice for travel, family fun, and capturing stunning 4K moments. Number 3. Contixo F24 Pro Drone. The Contixo F24 Pro is a powerful 4K UHD foldable drone designed for adults and beginners seeking impressive performance, stability, and long flight time. Featuring a 90° adjustable 4K camera with a 120° wide FOV, it captures stunningly sharp photos and smooth 2.7K video with vibrant colors and high clarity. Its enhanced GPS system provides stable hovering, precise positioning, and a live video transmission range of up to 1,800 feet. Equipped with brushless motors, the F24 Pro delivers smooth, reliable, and quiet flights, while its foldable design allows easy storage without removing the propellers. Smart flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, Gesture Control, Point of Interest, and Tap to Fly add creativity and convenience, letting the drone fly custom routes using up to 16 waypoints. With a 2500 mAh intelligent battery offering up to 30 minutes of flight time and a carrying case included, this drone is a great choice for travelers, hobbyists, and anyone wanting a capable, portable 4K aerial camera experience. Number 4. Holystone HS175D GPS Drone. The Holystone HS175D is a lightweight, foldable 4K GPS drone designed for adults and beginners who want smooth, stable flight with high-quality video. Its 4K camera features a 110° wide-angle lens and a 90° adjustable tilt, while 5G Hz FPV transmission ensures clear and steady real-time footage even during fast movement or windy conditions. With GPS-assisted auto-return, the drone automatically flies back when the signal is lost, the battery is low, or it goes out of range, greatly reducing the risk of losing it. 2 included batteries offer up to 46 minutes of total flight time, and beginner-friendly features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, speed adjustment, and 1-key takeoff/landing make flying incredibly easy. Weighing under 250 kilograms, it doesn't require FAA registration and comes with a convenient carrying case for travel. Intelligent modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Circle Fly, and gesture-controlled photos add even more fun and creativity to every flight. Number 5. DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo is an ultra-lightweight 135G mini drone that delivers effortless flying and stunning 4K UHD stabilized video, all without requiring FAA registration or remote ID. Designed for beginners and casual creators, it features palm takeoff and landing, letting you fly controller-free with just a button press. Neo includes smart subject tracking and 8 quick shots modes, making it easy to capture cinematic vlogs, family moments, and travel shots. With flexible control options, including voice control, the mobile app, or an RC controller, you can fly the way you prefer. DJI's advanced stabilization, Level 4 wind resistance, and full coverage propeller guards ensure smooth footage and safe indoor or outdoor flying. Compact enough to fit in your pocket and equipped with essential accessories, the DJI Neo is a fun, portable, and user-friendly drone that's ready to fly anywhere.